sa atin kay pag may motor hindi kasi tingnan mo mga building.
Hello, welcome to Shanghai. Guys, we're in Shanghai now. Say hi to Shanghai.
They have like 20 kilograms.
Hello, this is Yuen Garden, Shanghai. Look at that place. So cool.
This is a long road, yes? So this is the main
Ito yung best view ng Yuen Garden, Shanghai. Prepare your eyes. Ni hao, Shanghai. Ganda rin. Guys, look at this, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda sa China. Tapos gusto pa nila tayong sakupin. What the hell's wrong with them? Wow, man. Fine, guys. How to explain this, but Shanghai is so cool, man. So beautiful. This place is so beautiful. Look at this. Siyempre, with Starbucks. Sorry. What's this? What's that? Akala ko totoong tao. Akala ko ba totoong tao? Oh my God, it's a robot. Ha? Akala ko totoo yan. Akala ko totoong tao eh. Guys, grabe, di ko talaga ma-explain kung bakit ba gusto pa nila sakupin. Kung bakit gusto pa nila sakupin yung Pilipinas. Ang ganda-ganda na sa China, oh. They have everything. I mean, yung palitan ng dollar nila, $1, 7 yuan lang. Hindi nagbabago yan. Ever since na nakapunta ako ng China, ganoon na yung palitan sa kanila. Nagiging 6 or 5 or 6 or 7, I mean. Ganun lang. And look at this, guys. What do you call this tower? I forgot, but it's very famous, diba? Shanghai yan. Yeah! Success! And guys, so Shanghai 2024. We're so lucky kasi bihira yung mga seaman na napupunta dito. Lalo sa kasama ko. Medyo kasi malayo yung biyahe namin ngayon. Almost 1 hour by car. Look at this view. I don't know guys how to explain this. That. Kita mo yan? Parang siya pinaghalong city na may modern and classic buildings. May pagka-Europe siya, di ba? Makakita mo sa Europe. So amazing, guys. Shanghai, China. Let's go! Shibuya? Like Shibuya. It's almost 10 p.m. guys, and we're still touring China, Shanghai, China. And here we go, guys. Ito yung full view ng Shanghai City. Ayan. Daming tao, di ba? Wow, guys, look at this. Once in a lifetime, di ba? Once in a lifetime experience. So, let's take it. If you have one chance, one opportunity. Oops. Wow. I love Shanghai. Alam nyo guys, kumbaga to sa Pilipinas, ang counterpart nito yung Ilog Pasig. Kung naging malinis na sana Ilog Pasig, ito siya ngayon. Stretch all the way up there. This is Shanghai City. This is the new Shanghai. This is ang tawag daw dito ay Shanghai Pudong. O diba, ang ganda sa China, sa Shanghai, diba? Nakakilig guys, ang ganda-ganda dito. Kasi tayo, diba, tayo mga Pilipino, lagi tayo may notion na China fake, China pangit, China ganito, ganyan. So, tignan nyo guys, gano'n sila ka-develop. Diba, may kasabihan tayo ng bata tayo na China is the sleeping giant. Now, and I mean 20 years ago, maybe we are fully awake na. God, I should have seen this in person, guys. Look at that tower. This city is so immersive. Seme. Ang ganda, grabe. Sobra! Nakakakilig. Mga. Guys, ito yung Peace Hotel sa Shanghai, China. Ito yung pinaka-expensive na hotel sa China, sa Shanghai, China. Marami ng movie na shoot dito sa Peace Hotel na to. It's been around for 200 years. Sabi ni Ma'am Jia. Wow. That guys. Seafood, I think. Guangxi. Live band. Kanta kaya ako. Ni hao. Ni hao, 小家人，你很漂亮。你很漂亮，我爱你。Oh, Blackpink. Hello, Blackpink. Is that Blackpink? Sobrang laki ng noodles. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito eh. Siguro Chinese noodles na tawagin natin. Or Chinese, tawagin na lang nating Chinese ramen. That's how they do it, guys. Diba? Isip natin sa China marami. Pero dito, I'm so impressed, guys. It's so clean. Tidy sila, tidy. Siguro talaga depende rin sa lugar. Sa Pilipinas kasi meron din namang marumi nagbebenta ng pagkain. Meron din namang malilinis. Yan, ito na yung isa sa malinis sa China. Order ko pala yung pork ramen, something like that. Basta pa yung pork siya. May plastic mo doon. Guys, naman tignan nyo gano'ng kalaki yung ramen nila.
Grabe ka, sulit ba? Hindi ka pa sumama.
Kawawa naman si Jan. Kawawa. Laki-laki oh. Paano kubusin to? So guys, ayun. Pauwi na kami. Ang tagal ko nag-ikot-ikot dito. Wala man lang ako nakitang lumpia. Siyempre, lumpiang Shanghai. Okay guys, here in Shanghai, we're going Chocolate Museum. Everything you see here is chocolate. This is made out of chocolate. This is made out of chocolate. They sell chocolate. The escalators are made of chocolate. And then the best thing dito guys, it's free. You can go inside for free without paying any penny. Any single penny. No payment. No payment. Understand? Yo! Okay, we're going upstairs to check the chocolate museum. Chocolate dinosaurs made out of chocolate, guys. Subscribe to my channel to see more. Click here. This is how they make chocolate. They use cacao. So, basically guys, healthy yung chocolate kasi plant siya. It came from plants, diba? Cacao and cocoa. So, healthy yung chocolate. Kasi ano siya, plant-based, diba? Plant-based siya. Huwag lang sobra. Lahat naman ang masama sobra. Sobra ka magmahal, masama rin. Kasi wala ka lang tayo para maligo, nagmamahal ka na lang. Charot. Ayan, yung mga yan. Ano yan, dudurugin mo yan mga yan. Ayan. Coffee, di ba may coffee flavor na chocolate? Ayan, cinnamon cassia. They have, what the heck? What the heck is that? Oh, look at this. Mr. Lee. Yan. It's made out of chocolate, guys. Gawas chocolate to mga to. May kulay lang sila. Hindi sila painting, no? Naka-emboss sila. It's 3D nakaangat. So, ano siya? It's not painting. Hindi siya flat. Nakaangat siya. So, chocolate pala yan. It's made out of chocolate, guys. How many times do I have to say? How many times do I have to tell it? It's made out of chocolate. Everything you see, that one is made out of chocolate. This one. And this one too. That one again. That's why it's called Chocolate Factory. This one, it's made out of chocolate. Made of chocolate. Made of chocolate. Made of chocolates. Chocolate. A bag that I can eat. I can basically eat this bag. And this one, tiger animal printed bag chocolate. Flower vase chocolate. Green. Yan, lahat yan. This chocolate, it looks like a fake, mukha siyang fake plant pero chocolate yan. This chocolate, oh, wipe the chocolate out of your mouth, miss. Oh my god. Parang gusto kong kainin lahat to because I love chocolate. Oops. Pero alam nyo, dapat hinahinan lang kasi sa mga sweets, okay? Too much sweets can kill you. Too much sweets can make you sick. Too much salty can make you sick. Lahat ng too much, lahat ng sobra ay masama, di ba? So, let's eat and drink moderately. Ibig sabihin, hinay-hinay lang, katamtaman lang ang kain. At ang pag-inom na matatamis. Diba? Speaking of matatamis, asan yung kasama ko? What? They're gone. Oh, they're there. The one wearing the blue shirt and the white shirt, that's my fellow Americans. Can I go here? No, I can go there. I have to turn around. Like this. Oh, sorry, shit. Binangga ako ng girl. I hate that. Everything is chocolate except for the dinosaur. Except for these cans, tables. It's not made out of chocolate. Except for the floor, but the other things are chocolate. You're going inside now. They're calling me. I'm coming. Okay, guys, we're heading back. We're heading back to our ship kasi may duty pa ako mamayang 4 a.m. It's now around 10 p.m. Magdadrive pa si Mama. Yun si Mama. That's Mama Angel, yung naka-white shorts there. A very, very good lady. Pinag-drive niya kami ng grabe 1 hour papunta dito. Gosh, ang layo nun. At yung speed niya is around 90 kilometers per hour. Imagine that guys, 90 kilometers per hour, 1 hour. Long drive. Papunta pa lang yun. So pabalik kami, another 1 hour. 2 hours niya kami nag-drive. And delivery pa niya kami. Grabe. Shit talaga. Shit. In Chinese, that's how you say thank you. Shit. X-I-E space X-I-E. Shit. Parang ganun. Okay, we're outside again. Whew. Okay guys, see you later. Enjoy the view muna. Shanghai view. Okay, out muna.